Welcome back to 3 Inquisitive Kids. This is problem 4 and the last problem in our Made Up and Catch Up Problems combined series. So, as you can see, there is a figure over here, a triangle, and we see the 5 points A, B, C, D, E. So let's see what this problem is all about. 2 ants are climbing in an isosceles triangular bar, meaning that AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC, which equals 360 centimeters. So it's isosceles, and AB equals AC, which equals 360 centimeters. The first ant can travel 3 centimeters per second, while the second ant can travel 12 centimeters per second. The first ant continuously goes back and forth on AB. So AB, just like this. Okay. While the second ant continuously goes back and forth on DE, like this. The 2 ants start climbing at the same time. Wherever the 2 ants are, they always form an isosceles triangle with point A. So say it's over here, then somewhere over here there would have to be the second ant. So it's just saying that it has to form a isosceles triangle with point A. So what could be the largest area to the isosceles triangle? Just like last time, we're going to make a zigzag chart. First, let's find out the ratio. That's always our first step. So that's 3 to 12, which is equal to 1 to 4. Meaning that the second ant can travel 4 times that much of the first ant in the same time frame. So it would be always like that. So instead of putting it in a triangle, we can turn it into a straight line. Right, so A on this side and D on this side. So the first ant, I'll call it ant 1 would be here and ant 2 would be here. So what's the zigzag diagram we can draw out of this? Right, so we would have 2 lines, and A is here, D is here. So the parts will be 30, 60, 90, 120. So the same parts would be here, here, and here. So they both start at point A. And the second ant, being faster, will look like this. And meanwhile, the first ant, being a little slower, goes like this. So just saying that when the first ant had reached point D for the first time, the second ant had already touched it 2 times and come back to point A 2 times as well. And as we can see, these are their intersections. So let's think about which of these intersections could it be, and let's think about in how much seconds the whole thing took. So remember, A, B, and AC are each 360 degrees. So that times 4 divided by 12 plus 3, which is the sum of their speeds, we get 96. So 96 seconds took that. This is 96 seconds right here. 96 times 3 equals 288. Meaning that over here, the side length of their isosceles triangle would be 288 and 288. Now over here, this is a right angle. So 288 times 288 times 1/2 equals 288 times 144, which equals 41,472 cm squared. So this is the final answer to the problem.